Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a product that slap. I've really been enjoying these products for the past few days and I really just want to say it, and I couldn't put it in my favorites because I really haven't had a chance to try them out, but oh my god, these products are so good. Okay, so the first product that I want to talk about is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade. This is a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade. Oh my god, it's so good. I have in my brows today and I really like it. It's really creamy, it blends well. I'm fighting the sun right now, so if I start to look orange, that is why. And I promise you, it's almost the exact dupe of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade. It's so good, so good. Okay, so the next product is the Milani Keep It Full Natural Luster number 15. I think that's what it's called. So this is what it looks like. I have it on my lips right now. I have nothing underneath it. It's just pure gloss. I really like it. It's just kind of like a sheeny, nudie brown type of gloss. It's a little thick, but it doesn't slip and it stays on for quite a while without touching up. It has like a really nice vanilla shade to it. I kind of think it's, to be honest, this is kind of a dupe for the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Everybody's like, wow, it's really glossy. It just has like a more a brown nudie tint to it, but I like it. It is thicker than the Fenty, I should say that. And then it doesn't last as long as the Fenty, but it's just as good and it gives pretty much the same appearance, and they do have other colors, so that there's that. Okay, so the next product I want to talk about is also for lips. It is the Fresh Sugar Caramel Hydrating Lip Balm, the full size. It's like this. It's very bougie, it's very expensive, but it's very good. I use it on my lips at night when I had like very dry, rough, crackly lips in the winter time. This is my go-to savior. Actually, it's actually really kind of hard to twist off, but it looks like this. I kind of just like rub my hand through it and slap it all over my lips. This is a really good daytime lip balm. And the next product I really enjoy. It's from Makeup Revolution. It's their luxury baking powder in the shade Lace. I've been looking for something that kind of gives me like that Jordan Woods like under highlight glow, and this baby is it right here. I really like her. She kind of has like a pinky tone to her, kind of like a yellow pinky glow to her. I really like it. I have it under my eyes right now. It's keep me pretty matte throughout the day. I did have to touch up once, but that's about it. But I've had this makeup on since 5 o'clock in the morning, and let me tell you, it's I don't have a watch on, but it's 7 o'clock right now. The sun is setting, so that should tell you something. But I'm obsessed with her. She's cute. She does the job, and she is very budget friendly. I think she's like $9. It's at Ulta. But I really like it. I have the shade in Banana too, so like when I want to be more yellow under my eyes, but this is when I want to be bright and shining. And then I also really love the Makeup Revolution Bake and Blot powder in the shade Banana. Looks like that. She's cute too. I really like her to blot my face and just kind of give that yellow undertone right back into my face if I have lost some of the color, which is, you know, kind of rare, but like I want to be a little extra, you know? I don't know what it is, but Makeup Revolution is doing the thing, and I'm with it. I'm here for it. I'm here for it all day, every day. And then the next product that I've really been loving, again, from Makeup Revolution, is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour Concealer. It looks like this. I think you probably seen me use it maybe in my last video, but it looks like this. It's like I think a dupe for the Shape Tape. Really love this for my eye makeup. Actually, I don't like to use it underneath my eyes because I really like hydrating concealers underneath my eyes, and if I put this underneath my eyes plus baking, ooh girl, we're gonna be a crocodile, and we don't want that. But I really like this, and this is in the shade C2. It's like a really white yellow tone base, so it's really pretty and it's really nice for laying down eyeshadow, so that's really great. I don't know, I just feel like I have just kind of hit the jackpot in the drugstore department. We're here for our way of living. I am a girl on a budget because, you know, your girl's trying to save up for a car right now, and we can't be balling out on these high-end products right now. Not right now, but like once we get a car, no. Once we get that new car though, the next products I do have, I bought this a long time ago. This is kind of like the first time me like really trying out, but I really like it. And I talk fast sometimes if you can't tell, But this is the Dose of Colors Honey I'm Home lip gloss. Well, it looks like this. It's a very nudie gloss. This one also smells like kind of like cupcakes and vanilla. It's really pretty. It's really cute. It's very pigmented. So like if you want color, just use like a lip liner and like some of this, you're good. You're good to go. I really like it. It has a really nice formula. It stays on for a long time. And you know, I'm really feeling my glosses right now because summer is coming. I don't need dry lips, but we're here for the glosses. It's their time to shine. Okay, so the next two products are going to be in packaging because I just got them, but I'm so obsessed with them because I'm wearing them right now and it's doing me justice. I'm really loving the Tarte Amazonian Clay Matte Waterproof Bronzer in the shade Hotel Aries, and this is what it comes like in the box. I was actually just kind of keeping it in packaging because like if I didn't like it, I was like, oh, it's going back to the store, but I like it, so I'm gonna keep it. It's in the most bougie packaging I've ever seen. It's really heavy. Let's give her a moment to shine for a second. But like, do you see her? Like, she did not have to sound like that. This is a deal. That's the one thing I don't like about her. She flops like this. She doesn't stay open. Not at all. But this is her. She's cute. She's bronzy. Like, if you look at it, she looks very, very dark and deep, but she's very warm. And very buildable. It's not like a high pigment bronzer. It's like one of those bronzers that you can just like slowly build up. And I like it because I didn't get any patchiness from it. It just like blended like a dream on my skin and I really liked it. I just actually picked this up on a whim the other day. So I'm really happy that I like this. I'm really happy that I picked my shade. Actually, I took a nap in this. Yeah, I took a nap and she's still on my face. Bronzer is waterproof, so I can approve of that. It is waterproof. It is sleep proof because she did not budge and we're still bronzy. We're still glowy. And the last product that I have is the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation. I have the shade Toffee. I think it's my shade. It's working for me. I need to tan my body, but she's working for me. I'm a little pale right now. But we're gonna get there. But yeah, I really like this. My last foundation was not doing it for me. I was looking like an oil slick after 4 hours at work. 4 hours at work. Your girl was a grease ball. So I had to pick it up. I was like, nope. I've heard really good things about this foundation and I can say they're good. She's thick. Do you see this packaging? Like, beautiful. Look at that, it's pretty. And then it does kind of have like she's plastic. Do you hear that? She's plastic. But I really like her and she's so pretty. She got a pump. She blends like a dream. I think I needed maybe 2.5 pumps to do my whole face. And that's it. The girl's got a lot of face. Let's just start there. I've got a lot of face. I got a lot of face that needs to be covered. 2 pumps did the job. I kind of did like half pumps all around my face, but it's good. It's thick. She covers all of my blemishes, and let me tell you, my skin has been freaking out. Alright, so that's pretty much everything that I have for you. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I'll have it listed in the down bar, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.